What's up guys, this is Unknown from GreedyTech and welcome to Tech News. Vision Pro is going to arrive next month and Apple has revealed a list of streaming services that are supported by it. Sites like Amazon Prime Video, Crunchyroll, Disney+, ESPN and lot more platforms will be supported by this headset. With the subscriptions, users can download or stream movies, TV shows or sports through these sites on their headset. One can watch both 2D and 3D movies, and with the launch there will be over 150 movies available to stream. Apple also said that users who want to watch content from other streaming services can do it so with Safari. There are immersive features available on Vision Pro, things like environments, and there are 4 environments available that you can see on screen. This will be arriving in US on 2nd February for $3,499. Yes, pretty expensive. When will it launch in India or globally? It is yet to be announced. Mark Gurman from Bloomberg reported that Apple is working on supporting sideloading of apps in EU. This comes after EU giving Apple a deadline to comply with the DMA, that is Digital Markets Act. This is to support the installing of apps outside of the App Store. Now we were able to do similar things on Android with APKs since long time, but Apple never made this possible, citing security or other reasons. And now it seems like they don't have a choice in enabling it. There is no official announcement from Apple yet, and this support for sideloading of apps is only going to be in EU as far as we know for now. Maybe if some other region also puts some kind of laws, Apple might have to comply with them even there, and then maybe sideloading will become the norm in the future, even for Apple. Who knows? What do you think about this? Let us know in the comments below. Adobe announced new feature which will make editing faster and easier. This is currently available in the beta version. This comes with new audio features which include interactive fade handles on clips in timeline. You can click and drag to create variety of custom audio fades. There is a new AI-powered audio category tagging which automatically identifies and labels clips with icons for dialogue, music, sound effects, and ambient noise, giving editors one-click access to most relevant tools for each category. It also has redesigned clip batches for enhanced visibility, making it easier to identify clips with effects, quickly add new effects, and also adjust effect settings. And there are some more features like Adobe's AI-powered speech enhance tool, with which you can remove all the unwanted noise and also improve poorly recorded dialogue. These will be available to all Premiere Pro customers starting from February. Moto G34 5G was launched last week and now it is available on sale. It comes with Snapdragon 695 processor, 6.5-inch HD Plus IPS display with 120Hz refresh rate and 500 nits of peak brightness, 50MP rear camera and 16MP front camera. It runs on Android 14 with MyUX. Powering all this is 5000 mAh battery with 20 watts turbocharging. It also has stereo speakers. Now this is starting at $10,999 for 4GB RAM and 128GB storage, and $11,999 for the 8GB RAM and 128GB storage variant. Additional 1000 rupees off on exchange. Effective price with offer being $9,999 for the 4GB variant and $10,999 for the 8GB variant. You also have benefits from Jio up to 4,500 rupees. This is applicable on prepaid plan of $399. You can buy this on Flipkart or the official website or the leading retail stores. Remarkable 2, that is Eink Tablet, has been launched in India. It is also called the paper tablet. This Eink Tablet works as an everyday notebook, but it is digital and it feels like a paper while writing on it. It is lightweight and easily portable, and you also get a stylus and a type folio tactile keyboard. You can take notes, review documents, and read on this tablet. It supports PDF and EPUB documents and has support for over 17 languages. It also has handwriting conversion feature backed by MyScript, in which it supports up to 33 languages, but the only ones with Latin script. This sports 10.3-inch monochrome digital paper display, partially powered by Eink Carta technology. It has 1GHz dual-core ARM chipset, 1GB of LPDDR3 SD RAM, 8GB of onboard storage. It runs on Linux-based operating system and has 3000 mAh battery. For connectivity, you have USB, Type-C port, and Wi-Fi. This tablet starts at 43,999 rupees for the tablet and stylus. Another version comes with a bundle of tablet, stylus, and type folio keyboard case, which is priced at 53,799 rupees. Now the type folio keyboard cover is available at 19,499 rupees, and marker plus stylus is available at 13,599 rupees. In the bundle, you also have 1 year free trial of Connect subscription, which offers unlimited cloud storage with sync, up to 3 years of additional device protection, and also access to exclusive offers. Pre-booking has already started for 1000 rupees. You can buy this on Amazon. Sale starts from January 19th. Microsoft has launched CoPilot Pro, that is a paid plan for $20 per month per user, which is around 2000 rupees in India. With this plan, you get priority access to GPT-4, GPT-4 Turbo, and DALL-E 3, even during peak times. This also unlocks CoPilot in Microsoft apps. And in the future, you will be able to create custom CoPilot GPT just like the OpenAI's GPTs. Do you already pay OpenAI to access ChatGPT 4? Do you use CoPilot at all? Let us know in the comments below. That's pretty much it for this video. Do like, share, subscribe. You know what to do. This is Unknown from GreedyTech. Meet you in the next one.